Hello, I'm Emma Hammett, the founder and CEO of First Aid for Life and onlinefirstaid.com. I keep being asked about how you would treat if you were someone if they were affected by an acid attack or involved with a chemical burn. Sadly, there's been a huge spate of acid attacks lately. There's been 400 in the last 6 months of reported incidents, and probably more as well. So it is a problem and it is out there. You can buy sulfuric acid, sort of high percentage sulfuric acid, easily over the internet. Now I know that they're trying to stop this, and I hope they do that very quickly. Anyway, first aid for a chemical burn, whether it's caused by an acid attack or caused by an industrial incident or household chemical, the treatment and the first aid is pretty much the same. Although if you're talking about high intensity acids, then you're obviously needing a lot of water, and a small amount of water is not going to do it. So the key thing is to remove the acid as quickly as possible and flush it with as much water as you possibly can. A small bottle of water for an acid attack is not going to work. It's not going to be enough. It's better than nothing, but it's not going to be enough. You need to flood the area, and you need to protect yourself as well. So wear gloves if you can. Ensure that you're not being splashed by the runoff, because if it's burnt them, it will burn you as well. And you need to flush the area wherever they have been had the acid over them with as much water as you possibly can for at least 20 minutes. And whilst you're flushing it with water, you then need to remove the clothing as quickly and carefully as you can. Be very careful of the runoff, as I've said. Be very careful if you are irrigating the eyes, that you're not ending up with the affected or the water that has the chemical in it going into the unaffected side. So make sure you lean them to the right way so that the runoff is not going to be affecting the unaffected area, if that makes sense. So key thing is loads and loads of water, as much as you possibly can. Remove any affected clothing, remove them from the contaminated area, and get medical help as quickly as you can. I do hope that's been helpful. That's Emma Hammett from First Aid for Life and onlinefirstaid.com.